Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, we will open up this tailgate, and you'll find a tailgate cable on each side. If you see right here, there's a tab, and if you just bend this out of the way, you can actually just slide this up by lifting the tailgate, get a little slack in the cable like this, and it slides up and out just like that. The other side will hold the tailgate up while you then come over here with your T45 Torx bit on a ratchet, and you can use the ratchet and bit to undo this bolt. All right, and there you have it. Tailgate cable is removed. All right, to reinstall, you're going to want to put it right back in here. You want to make sure your alignment washer is in here. That makes the tailgate cable twist in the right direction when you're closing the tailgate. All right. Up on the top side, you're going to need to raise your tailgate just a little bit. And at that point, you can just slide it right on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.